Hey y'all, it's Jamie from Dig It Homesteading, and we are freezing, literally freezing here in Texas. And I'll show you. That's one of my plants that are covered. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, go ahead.
Wait, look.
Oh my gosh.
It's so hard to dig.
This is not our normal. Oh my gosh. Yo, it's already like 10 o'clock this morning. And it is frozen still, even in the full sun.
Look.
Icicles everywhere. Well, y'all stay safe and stay warm. Hopefully all your plants were protected.